Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this Backpack Trader training room for Tuesday, March the 9th, 2021. So, back again. I've missed it being traveling the last week or so. Actually, I've been just traveling the last couple of weeks. And I'll be traveling again next week, so I won't be here Tuesday and Thursday, but we'll be here this week, today, and Thursday. All right, let's jump in. Both our crude charts getting off to quick starts this morning. 5-tick crude, 26 seconds into our session, we get the short setup. Lots of time to get our entry in for that. Picks up a 10-tick target and 65.01 for the stop. So 17 ticks on the trailer. So 27 ticks this morning for the 5-tick crude. And ever since that trade, it's been in this long. It just hit target 1. And stopped out for a single tick. So not a trade we would have been in anyway. Do say good morning so I know who's here. The 8-tick crude was in a long at our start time. I actually stopped out just after our start time. Set up the short at 901.03 on my chart from 65.08. We picked up a 16-tick target at 64.92 and stopped out for a single tick on the second position, be that a fixed target 2 or a trailer. So both crude charts one and done. Unleaded having a little bit more trouble. We got into the short about the same time as our 8-tick short. Didn't quite make money management at 907.02. Stopped and reversed into the long that took a full stop out. I actually had let's see, what do we have? 608. Looks like we had exactly a break even on that stop and reverse. If you use the four tick stop and reverse adjustment that Troy and I have been using on unleaded gas. So that would have been a 40-tick stop out. And so we move on. Didn't ever trigger this short. Did trigger this long here. Made money management and another 1 tick. So we're down 38 and looking for trade number 4. Pound Aussie. That nice trade, but just too early. It was 5 after 7 this morning. And hit money management about 8:15. With our start at 8:30, it had gone too far. So still flat at the moment there. And the chart that Troy put up yesterday for us to start taking a look at, see if it's a possibility, it was the pound yen. And that's the 6 pip momentum bar, 6 pip range bar, depending on where you are, either TradeStation or NinjaTrader. So that picked up the short at 907 on. This is, of course, on my chart using Oanda data. And working down toward money management at 129.26. Our entry was 129.38, so it's not a big trade. And we have about 5.5 minutes before market open on the YM. And so we wait at this point. One and done on crude. Unleaded still working. No trades yet on the pound Aussie. Market moving slower this morning than it was Monday and a few days last week. I didn't look at it Thursday and Friday. I was on the road from Midland back to Raleigh. So lots of windshield time the end of last week. Pound Aussie moving up, but just no trades to take advantage of at the moment. Looks like we got just a little bit too far through to pick up a trade off of the 20 SMA. Although that's not part of the trade plan, that is the type of movement where we would pick up that a trade like that. So our SMA was at 8020.2 or 80202, and our low was 80179. Yep, so the 2 pip offset is going to put that more than 4 pips away. So that would be just a little too far. And that would have been a fairly, relatively small trade. It would have set up off of this bar right there. And it looks like it would have been fairly successful so far. would have hit money management and target one, it looks like. Assuming that money management would have been 12 ticks. Our entry would have been $8,033. Or rounding would have taken us to 8,031 on the high of that bar, or well, we would have gone to 8,028, and rounding to pip value would have been taking us to 3.3 for the entry. So our money management would have been up at 4.5, and looks like target would have been at 4.3, which would be 10 ticks, and we would have taken that, or 10 pips rather. Market is now open. Opened about 30 seconds ago, 20 seconds ago, it looks like. And the YM with nothing to do yet, making a strong upward move off of the open, or starting at just ahead of the open, looks like.